If you're seeing x.com or Twitter error 226, the good news is that in many cases it's a temporary restriction and there's a very simple fix. In this video, I'll show you exactly what to do step by step so you can stop the error and get back to using your account normally. And if this quick tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes just like this. Let's get into it. First, if you are using a VPN, turn it off right away. A VPN can sometimes make your login or activity look suspicious, and that can trigger X or Twitter error 226. So check your VPN app, disconnect it fully, and make sure your connection is using your regular network. Once your VPN is disabled, the next step is very important. Stop trying to post, like, or follow for 1 to 2 hours. Do not keep refreshing and do not keep repeating the action that caused the error. In many cases, this type of message appears because the platform has temporarily limited activity on the account. If you keep trying again and again, it can sometimes make the restriction last longer. So the safest move is to pause all posting, liking, and following activity for at least 1 to 2 hours. Just leave the account alone for a bit and let the temporary restriction clear on its own. While you wait, you can close the app or browser, then come back later and try again normally. After the waiting period is over, open X or Twitter again and test the account with one simple action. If everything is working, you should be able to continue as usual. If this video solved your problem, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more fast troubleshooting guides. And that's it. Disable any VPN, stop posting, liking and following for 1 to 2 hours, and in many cases, error 226 should clear up. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.